Welcome to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that blends modern styling, versatility, and exceptional performance. Let's see what makes this bike a standout choice for riders in 2025. Design and styling. The 2025 Vulcan S retains its signature sleek and aggressive design, but introduces fresh updates. Its flowing lines and minimalist bodywork are complemented by bold new color options, including metallic carbon gray and pearl solar yellow. The low-slung frame and sculpted fuel tank give it a sporty urban edge, making it perfect for riders who want a cruiser that doesn't scream traditional. Um, Kawasaki's ErgoFit system ensures a customizable riding position, catering to riders of all sizes. Performance and engine. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, the Vulcan S delivers smooth, responsive power that's perfect for both city commuting and highway cruising. The revised fuel injection system enhances throttle response and fuel efficiency, while the lightweight chassis ensures nimble handling. With its 6-speed transmission, this cruiser offers a balanced ride whether you're cruising at low RPMs or pushing the throttle on open roads. Technology and features. The 2025 model brings advanced tech upgrades, including a new TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, enabling smartphone integration and notifications. Standard ABS and Kawasaki's traction control system ensure safety and confidence even in challenging conditions. LED lighting all around adds to the bike's modern appeal and visibility. Final thought, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a cruiser that breaks tradition while delivering comfort, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the Vulcan S is built to adapt to your needs and riding style. That's it for today's review. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more auto reviews.